Amazon favorites, bathroom edition.
This shower head by Hopopro is by far the best thing I bought this year.
The installation process was so easy, I was able to do it all by myself. Also, the shower head has 7 different spray modes, so you're able to customize your spa experience to your liking. It also has self-cleaning nozzles and an advanced filtration system which reduces chlorine and heavy metals, therefore improving skin and hair health. And the best part is no more struggling to get shampoo out of your hair because this shower head provides the strongest water pressure.
It's no mistake that it's one of the best-selling shower heads on Amazon today.
Shop now on Amazon.com.